Hello guys, ayan, good morning. For today's vlog, ayan, magluluto tayo ng Mickey Bihon. Ayan, iuhulog na natin yung ating Mickey. Okay guys, ayan, nilagay na natin yung gulay saka chicken pastel. Later, lalagay natin yung sicharong baboy guys. Okay guys, ayan na yung ating Mickey Bihon. Ayan, luto na siya guys. Papatayin ko na yung apoy. Ayan, yummy for breakfast and pandesal guys. Ayan, plating na tayo guys at tikiman time. Okay guys, ayan, ito na ang finished product ng ating Mickey Bihon for breakfast. Tara na, let's eat. Tikiman time guys. Ito tayong pandesal guys. At syempre meron tayong fried chicken. Wala ba tayong tawag nito? Gravy. Yummy. Ito yung ating gravy guys. Ng chicken Korean. Guys, match. Matchy dito sa aking panisel. Guys, kaya anong breakfast mo? Sunod na magluluto ako ng champurado. Parang na-miss ko ang champurado with tuyo. Yummy. Coffee muna tayo guys. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Love. See you next vlog.